Hi students, today we're going to be talking about chemical versus physical change. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks as I talk and you listen. A chemical change is a change that occurs when one or more substances change into entirely new substances with different properties. So for example, when food molds, you start out with a nice pretty orange colored orange and then you forget about it over summer, and then in a couple weeks or whatever you see it changes color to green. So that color change proves to you that a chemical reaction took place. Burning wood, you start as a wood and it burns and it turns into ash. You can't get that ash back to what it was before, so that is going to be a chemical change. It's irreversible. It's not the same stuff anymore. A physical change is a change of matter from one form to another without a change in chemical properties. So for example, if you melt ice, it starts as a solid water and then it melts and changes to liquid water. But no matter what, it's still water. So it's nothing different. It's still the same thing. Or tearing a piece of paper, it's still paper. That's just a physical change. So bending a spoon, I want you to guess physical change or chemical change. If you guess physical change, you are correct. It is still a spoon. You just bent it. Just the shape of it's different now. Making pancakes, physical change or chemical change? If you guess chemical change, you are correct. So we can't get the cooked pancake back to being batter anymore. And as you can see, the color has changed. Also, the baking soda has reacted with cooking, causing the pancake to rise a little bit. So that is a chemical change. Rust on metal, chemical or physical? Chemical change is correct. So again, we've got a color change. Can't get that rust back to being a normal metal. So we could scrape it off, but underneath that is regular metal. So just that rust itself, it changed chemically. Paper towel absorbing water, chemical or physical? Boop, physical. Yeah, it's still water and paper, so you can dry it out and get it back to what it was. So overall, chemical changes, you can't get it back unless you do a chemical change, but that requires a lot. And physical change, you can get it back. It's the same stuff. All right, hope you enjoyed this lesson.